no consequence.
Everyone on this earth for a reason.
Today cannot allow it to continue. And the law, even if it's on the books, becomes meaningless. Because I had to watch my daughter stripped of her dignity, her success, her rewards, and her privacy by a 6'5" man from Penn University named William Thomas.
There was a lot of rhetoric today in the courtroom, and there were a lot of legal issues that maybe a lot of people do not understand. But the simple reality of this case is that we're talking about simple biology. There are men and women, and Title IX and equal protection should allow boys to participate in boys sports and girls to participate in girls sports, and should allow girls to have the safety and security of knowing that they're going to be safe in their spaces, they're going to be safe in their sports, and that they're going to be protected by the law and by the Constitution.
I was a track and cross country athlete at Idaho State University. 5 times I lost to a male athlete who identifies as a woman. Men and women are different, whether some want to admit it or not. You can't change those differences by suppressing testosterone. Women don't join sports for a participation trophy. We want to win, we work to win, and we deserve a fair shot at winning that trophy and taking home a victory. I'll happily compete against challenging odds, but nobody should lose the race before it has started. We are hopeful that the court will see Idaho and West Virginia's laws for what they are, a respecter of biology, fairness, and women. Thank you.
No drug can make a man into a woman. Puberty blockers and testosterone suppression do not erase the physical advantages males have over females. All athletes can compete, but they must do so on a level playing field. Now, you heard today that no one is being harmed by this. Justice Kavanaugh said that's not correct. Sports is a zero-sum game. Someone has to win, someone has to lose. In West Virginia, BPJ defeated more than 400 girls over 1,000 times, winning 57 medals, medals that should have gone to female athletes. That's the real-world cost of ignoring biological reality.
I'm counsel for both the BPJ and Peacock's case, and I gave oral argument on behalf of Becky in the BPJ case. And we have Becky and her mom Heather here with us. They were in the courtroom together. And I think today we had a chance to tell the Supreme Court the reality of what it's like to be a girl like Becky, who just wants to be able to play on a team with her friends and have fun. And we're hopeful that the court heard our message, and we're very grateful for all the support that has been shown for Becky over the past week. I think it's not easy for anyone to be a kid, and especially not easy to be a trans kid. And if it weren't for people like Becky and her mom, I think we'd all be in a very worse place right now.
That equal opportunity for our kids to grow and thrive is what our laws are.
In this moment, in so many halls of power, it feels like people are debating whether or not transgender people exist, whether or not we deserve protections under our Constitution and our civil rights statutes. And today in the Supreme Court, we were able to remind the 9 justices that we do exist, that we deserve protections just like everybody else, and that there has been a history of discrimination against us that warrants the court to take a closer look at the type of government targeting that we've seen over and over again from states and now from the federal government. Thank you.